This video I show you how to fix WhatsApp DP not showing problem or WhatsApp profile picture not showing problem. For fixing this problem, first of all check that your WhatsApp is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store. Now search for WhatsApp. Now click on WhatsApp, up to date your WhatsApp. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp, click on force stop, click on OK, click on storage and cache, clear cache. Now open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dot. Now click on settings. Now click on privacy. Now click on profile picture. Now click on everyone. Now everyone see your profile picture, and you also see your profile picture, other profile picture. You can see that. Thanks for watching. Don't